Okay, another video. This is gonna be my new bike check. This is on my spare bike, my Diamondback, and it's snowing. So I'm gonna make this quick. Okay, so frame is a Diamondback Mini Viper. It's an 18-inch frame, 18-inch top tube. Handlebars are Marico handlebars. They are Marico Primo bars, I believe, with snafu grips. Harrow front load stem. FSA Flying Eagle headset, I think. I don't know. Harrow bikes fork. Harrow bikes front wheel with a Walmart hub that I had to lace up, but that's alright. Sunufu. Old Sunufu rim job tire. We got Marico CRMO cranks. Unsealed bottom bracket, but that's okay. Tony Hawk pedals. I got Harrow pedals, my new bike. My new cranks that I got from my actual bike. Jeez, it's snowing. So hopefully, I can upgrade the old pedals on that bike to these. I think it's a Stranger, just plastic seat. I lost the liner for it, so it's kind of ugly. That's okay. Diamondback rear wheel. It's the original rear wheel and hub. And a K-Rad tire and a KMC chain. It also has a 36 tooth front sprocket, a 16 tooth rear sprocket, so it's a really low gear. It's a good jump bike. It's really snowing. It's only, all this snow here only built up like 5 minutes ago. So it's really snowed really bad, so. Yeah, I'm probably gonna cut the video here. My phone's actually getting covered in water. It's probably getting on the camera, so see you guys later. Subscribe for more uploads. Like the video. You guys know what to do.